Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to vtwin Skins. This is Alfred, and we're right back to our Nardo Silverado project. And on this video, short and sweet, guys, less than 20 minutes. I hope you guys are enjoying our videos at this length. I know it's very specific to us YouTubers. But this video is what I would consider the ultimate style upgrade when it comes to vehicles. So you ever wonder how to take your vehicle look from awesome to absolutely jaw-dropping? Yep, this is one way to do it. We call these racing stripes, we call these rally stripes, muscle stripes, styling stripes, pin striping of different sorts. But this is it. So we already have this incredible full color change on the wrap, and it's a fantastic way to transform the ride. But what if you wanted to add that extra punch, that touch of dynamic style that truly sets you apart from, in this case, every other Chevy Silverado 1500? That's where these racing stripes come in. So these aren't just for the track anymore, you know. This is applying racing stripes over the color change wrap, and it's a fantastic way to create some accenting details. So we are accenting these recesses on the hood. So yeah, think about it. Think about, you know, these bold stripes that can perfectly highlight the car's natural lines, right? Draw attention to the unique features, add an incredible sense of speed or sportiness. In this case, muscle, you know, on this Chevy Silverado. It's all about precision and making a statement. So here's a secret, you know, for all of us car lovers, motorcycle lovers, and those looking to breathe new life into our older model vehicles. As I had mentioned in the previous video, this is a 10-year-old vehicle, right? Just crossed 100,000 miles. And for a 10-year-old car, that's low mileage, believe it or not, but this is, you know, this is how we're giving it new life. You know, adding a new color, full wrap, and then on top of that, adding these stripes. This is a game changer, reviving this and any older vehicle. So imagine you did have that older vehicle that had faded paint. This car in particular, this vehicle did not have faded paint, but, you know, obviously lots of chips, dents that we've been correcting on every panel. But here we are replacing and adding a new vibrant color. These stripes on top of that color add a new modern, aggressive edge, and it makes it feel like it's brand new again. You get to celebrate that history while giving it a fresh, contemporary look. Alright guys, so as we are wrapping this video up, let us know if you are ready to elevate your vehicle style. Consider adding racing stripes to your full color change wrap. It is the perfect way to add those accenting details and give any car, especially your auto models, a spectacular revival. Up next guys, we're going after the truck roof. See you on the next video guys. Thanks.